You guys, I made it. I'm home. My knee's so bad. What's up, you guys? Good morning. It's officially Monday, which means that tonight I get to go home. I'm flying home. I've never flown before. I have, but it was a really long time ago, so we're not counting it. So I've never flown before. It is currently 7:10, and I'm gotta do the morning routine. Oh. All right, guys, I think I hear the bus, maybe, which is weird because it's not anywhere near where I am, like on the map, but never mind. It's the Arbor bus. We got a witch's brew. I've never tried this, so I'm super excited. And we're gonna wait for the bus to go to class because I'm leaving early today. It's only like 7:30. Oh yeah, there's the bus right there. What's up, guys? So it is 12:30-ish, and I'm just gonna journal for a little bit. I already packed. I'm sorry, I completely forgot to film that. Okay, guys, so I just got out of my class, and I had a little I had a little salad with a sweet potato thing in it. I'm just I need to charge my phone. We have about 40 minutes until my cousin's supposed to come get me. I think, honestly, we're gonna stick the hair in a ponytail because this is just ridiculous. Okay, guys, cousin is coming in clutch. She's on her way. I'm so excited to go home. I get to go home. I also look like such a child because like my backpack is like full and I'm just kind of sitting out here. Hey, what's up, guys? So we're here 2 hours early.
I clearly see her.
I don't know what to do. I could walk around, but I don't want to get lost. Okay guys, so we have officially made it back to the house. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hit that subscription button down below, press the like button for more vlogs like this. This was just a basic travel vlog, my first time flying consciously, and